Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready? Make sure your iPhone and any paired device share the same Apple ID and are on compatible iOS. First, open Settings and confirm your iOS version. This ensures notification features are available. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so the accessories and apps can communicate. Next, go to Settings Notifications and select the app that will send glass notifications. This starts the flow, configuring the app and device so alerts can be delivered to the glass accessory once enabled. Once done with basic settings, open the companion app that manages your glass notifications and grant required permissions, notifications, location, and microphone if prompted, because these let alerts surface and behave correctly. Inside the app, enable the specific glass or accessory alert toggle and set priority, vibration, and sound preferences so only essential alerts reach the display. Make sure the accessory is paired via Bluetooth in settings. If pairing fails, restart both devices and retry pairing to ensure a stable link. Finish by sending a test notification from the app or triggering a sample event to verify the glass displays alerts. If you don't see anything, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb is off and the app's notification permissions remain granted. Also check low power mode, which can block background delivery. If issues persist, restart both devices, reinstall the companion app, and repair the accessory. This clears stale connections and often resolves missed notifications. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on can reinitialize the accessory link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.